I feel like we've really achieved what we set out to do. It's such a lovely space. My name's Emma. We bought this house in 2016. I live here with my partner Sean and my son Sam. When we first moved in, the house had not been touched since probably the 80s or 90s. We've had professionals in to do the plumbing, electrics and plastering, and my partner's done most of the building work. I've done the design and the decorating. I decided quite early on that I wanted to inject a lot of colour into the house and as much light as possible. When I first start designing a room, I'd take into account the light and how that makes you feel. We did the bedrooms first because we thought they would be easier. Then we left the bathrooms and kitchen until last because we knew that would take the most work. When we renovated the bathroom, we decided to knock through into what was the toilet. We blocked up a window in there, so it was quite dark in here. We did consider putting a window in the back wall, but decided to go with the Velux just because of the top light. As soon as we put it in, we realised it was the right decision because the light just streams in and it just makes all the difference in here. You always feel like you're sort of almost outside, and when the skies are blue and the sun's shining and the light's streaming in, it just really gives you a lift on a morning. That movement of the light throughout the day just really transforms the space. When all the family uses the bathroom, it can be so busy and get quite humid in here. So we decided to go for the PU finish, which is really easy to wipe down. We also have an app control, which makes it really easy to control from a mobile phone. When choosing the Velux, we decided to add a rain sensor, which gives us peace of mind that if it starts to rain, the window's open, it just closes itself. In summer, spring, autumn, winter, you just get a different vibe. If it's snowed and there's snow on there, you just feel so cosy in here. When it's raining, you can just look up and again, you just feel like you've got a big hug.